The man charged with the murder of an Oregon woman with ties to Hawaii was expected to make his first appearance in an Oregon courtroom today. The suspect was a neighbor of Melissa Jubain, who had just married her longtime boyfriend in Hawaii days earlier. Jill Kuramoto reports the community that knew the young woman is still grappling with their loss, with many questions still unanswered.
The attorney for Bryce Schubert today entered the not guilty plea on behalf of his client. Schubert, who Beaverton police say was a neighbor of Melissa Jubain, was arrested and charged Saturday with second-degree murder, first-degree kidnapping, and second-degree abuse of a corpse. These images of the wedding held on Oahu just days before her disappearance and murder. Jubain had married her longtime boyfriend, Brian Lantero, a local boy from Kalihi who is active-duty military stationed in Washington state. His mother spoke with KHON before leaving for Oregon to be by her son's side.
She's very humble. She's pretty. She's smart. She's very intelligent. She's very respectful. She's like a daughter to me. I know, she's very close to me.
This evening, hundreds, many of them her colleagues, are attending a vigil for Jubain, who was a nurse in Oregon. The coordinator telling us tonight's vigil is to honor the beloved woman and provide comfort to her fellow nurses and friends. It follows a mass held Sunday night in her memory at the University of Portland, where Jubain graduated in 2018.
Everybody loved her. She's just the sweetest young woman.
We don't even have words, really, to describe sort of the depth of the grief that we feel.
After an extensive 3-day search in Portland, Oregon police confirmed they found Jubain's body, but police have released very few details about the investigation, including what led to the arrest of Schubert. A motion was filed in court to seal the court documents. The 27-year-old suspect, who also was a nurse but did not work at the hospital where Jubain worked. He is being held without bail until his next court date on September 16th. Jill Kuramoto, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.